Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Health and Diseases. In that we are studying topic Adolescence. When I say adolescence, it means teenage, the period from 11 to 19 years. Let's study some characteristics of adolescence. Adolescence. Now it is a period or time age when a person is no longer a child. Teenage period, basically a age group of 11 to 19 years, can be termed as adolescence. This is the time period when there are social developments in a child. The child becomes more socially aware. There are sexual developments in a child in terms of puberty, whether it is in the case of girls or whether it is in the case of boys. All your glands, pituitary glands, your hypothalamus, the part of the brain, or your master control gland, your thymus, thyroid glands, all your hormones, whether it is T3, thyroxine, T4, all of them increase rapidly and vary to do different kinds of work. Also, all your hormones, whether it is adrenaline, epinephrine, non-epinephrine, are at peak in adolescence. There are behavior issues that an adolescent faces. There are emotional attachments to think, and there is a human rage in adolescence. Also, you can say that adolescence is a transition between your child and a fully grown adult. Adolescence is basically based on four different pillars. One is affection, appreciation, acceptance, and attention. These are the four pillars through which adolescents rotate and revolve, and the main thing is acceptance in society, which an adolescent or an adult individual who's just about in his teenage is craving for. Adolescence, or you can say just the starting phase of teenage in an individual. Now, adolescence is nothing but a bridge between childhood and adulthood. The transition of emotions are basically summation of adolescence. It is characterized by many physical growth. Now, when I termed as physical growth, in males, the physical growth could be increase of beard, increase of height. In psychological changes, teenagers or adolescents growing individuals are more emotional. They are more in acceptance mood. They want their things to be done in an order. Now there are various psychological issues associated with adulthood, or you can say adolescence. And behavior transformation, children are craving for attention. Children want acceptance in adolescence or in teenage. When teenage is a person's no longer a child, or you can say teenage is a phase between 11 to 19 years of age, when a child is just transformed or has entered into a transition phase. Adolescents exhibit various secondary sexual characteristics development. All the hormones, whether it is secondary sexual hormones or hormones which are required to produce gametes, are slowly and steadily developing in adolescence age. In adolescent children, what is observed is that their behavior is not at all rational or analytical. It is more emotional. Especially in that growing age, emotional hormones are at peak. Also, certain glands such as your hypothalamus, the part of your brain, your pituitary glands, which produces hormones, whether it is growth hormones, acromegaly region, adrenal hormones, all such, and even the gonads, the reproductive systems in male, have increased activity, especially in adolescence age. Adolescents basically have certain qualities or attributes which are slightly over the edge, or you can say slightly increased, especially during that teenage phase. Issues such as self-respect, self-confidence, self-identity are more critical than anything else in life. In most of the society, adolescence is about 12% of the population, and they are more self-oriented, or self-identity is at of greater cost to these individuals. Adolescents, due to their raging impact among society, or maybe due to their friend circle, due to interaction with their peers, they also come in contact with certain habits or certain ideologies which may not term to be good for them, whether it is physically, emotionally, or mentally. One of this condition is anorexia. Now, when I say anorexia, in Asian societies, this is a condition which is not really prone, but in Western societies, it is very common. Anorexia means an individual's thinking to lose weight just by not eating food. In Western societies, it is gaining a rage, which is slowly spreading into Asian countries. Apart from that, drug abuse is very common seen in adolescence among teenagers. Now, this could be due to peer pressure or society pressure, or it could be just as a mere fact of being accepted by your peers, friends, college friends, society, circle, anything of this. And a new rage to try out different things, to explore different stunts or different stuffs in their body and see how their body reacts is a mere thought of adolescents or adult children in this age group. So students in the age group of 11 to 19 years of age, which is approximately adolescence, a child undergoes various physiological changes, and if not guided properly or turned in a particular way, there are chances that a child may develop psychological disorders or psychological trauma or post-trauma in this growing years. So there needs to be proper care, proper guidance, especially in the adolescence age. Students, I hope you all are clear about this concept of adolescence. Thank you.